Hey there everyone, this is Michael Joe with the Happy Florida Homes team here at Keller Williams Realty, and today we are going to go over the top 3 benefits of filing your homestead exemption on your property and how it could save you money. Stay till the end of the video where we're going to go over the criteria necessary in order to qualify for that exemption. Stay tuned. Before we get into the 3 reasons why you should file your homestead exemption and why it will save you money is what exactly is homestead exemption. So claiming your property as your homestead simply means that you are claiming this as your primary residence. You are telling the county, the IRS, everyone, this is your primary residence. And this is why it'll give you these 3 benefits. Benefit number 1 is that it's going to lower the amount of your property taxes or the amount of your taxable value of the property. So for example, let's say you have a property that is worth $300,000 in regards to market value or what the county considers the market value to be at. Now from that $300,000, you file the homestead exemption, the county can only file, or your taxable value will be reduced to $250,000, meaning you'll have lower property taxes, and if you have a mortgage, that means you'll have a lower monthly payment on your mortgage. The second benefit to filing for your homestead exemption is what they call the Save Your Homes Act or Save Our Homes Act, which basically limits the amount that your taxes can increase year over year on your primary residence. So just for an example, real estate prices can fluctuate up and down, and sometimes year over year they can go up and up and up and up by tens of thousands of dollars, but that doesn't mean that your property taxes have to. With the Save Our Homes Act, your property taxes will have a limit of only being able to increase up to 3% year over year, saving you a lot of money on your property taxes when you do a homestead exemption. If you do not do a homestead exemption, your property taxes can increase drastically. So make sure you file that homestead exemption. Reason number 3 as to why you should file for your homestead exemption is going to be asset protection. Now, when I say asset protection, I mean protecting your home from having a forced sale on it. What I mean by this is if you have credit card debts, personal loans, or any kind of loan out there, when you have your property as a homesteaded property and you file for your homestead exemption, what will happen is that these creditors will not be able to force the sale of your home just because of those debts. Now, keep in mind, when I'm talking about debts having to pertain with the property itself, such as a mortgage, a home equity line of credit, or any work done to the property itself can still force the sale of the property, and so definitely make sure you pay those 100% of the time. However, when it comes to other debts around, like credit card debts and stuff like that, they cannot take away your home. They cannot force the sale of the property if you file it for a homestead exemption. So that is 3 reasons why you should file for your homestead exemption and save money on your property taxes. Now, in regards to the following criteria that is necessary to qualify, you must own the property year over year, meaning that if you bought the property and owned the property on December 31st of the following year and just live in it for a day up to January 1st, you can now file for your homestead exemption. The second requirement is this must be your primary residence. It cannot be a vacation home, a second home, or an investment property. Those are the 2 requirements necessary in order to file for your homestead exemption. And again, this is Michael Joe. We're going to continue to make ongoing content for your education purposes to make sure that you guys are as educated as possible, save you guys as much money, and bring as much value as we can to your home. Thank you. Have a good day.